Can you hear me, guys? Mobile has alignment keys. Like, look at this. See? It has alignment keys. Not PC only has alignment keys, but mobile. Gonna use one here too. Look. Wait. Alignment keys are not working. See? Those were alignment keys. Look. See, that was alignment keys. I told you mobile is alignment keys too, not just PC but mobile. Like, look at that. I'm not even doing this. I'm just using alignment keys. This is easy with my alignment keys on mobile keys. These are not really alignment keys. These are mobile keys. My alignment keys are not working. Finally. Okay. Why I suck? I suck. I'm using alignment keys. Okay. That type of. Okay, I'm not gonna use alignment keys. Just gonna wall normally. But I told you, mobile has alignment keys. Bro, my alignment keys aren't working right now, though. Okay. There's invisible one hop. Yo, I'm a pro. I did a wall hop. Was my camera not working while I was? Yo, hello. Okay. No, I touched the ladder. This obviously beating me. Okay. Bro. Bro. Okay. Gonna those alignment keys. What's the icon here? Oh, she wants a race. Yeah, this is an invisible wall up, right? Bang. This is easy. Word. Real I'm a real YouTuber. Not a YouTuber, small content creator. Small YouTuber that doesn't have subscribers. Anyways, can please like and subscribe. Yeah. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna end the video in stage 50, so stay tuned. Let me try backwards. Bang, bang. Ooh, okay. I'm kind of good. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Let's see that. Okay. How I can do backwards? Bang. Should I do backwards here too? Okay, I just wait. Warming up my hands first. Okay, never mind. But my hands really hurt. I need a rest. Nah, never mind. I'm a pro. Stage 40. Almost there. This is gonna be easy. Easy for me, not for all. I mean, you viewers is easy for you. I mean, I'm not mean to my viewers, but yeah, this is easy. Yeah, it's okay, never mind. Yo, my voice is good. We will do a face reveal and 500 subs. So if you want me to face reveal, we have to hit 500 subs. Oh my arm, it hurts. Okay, let's not do the math. Or you know what? Pros always do it. Never mind. I suck. Why do I suck at wall hopping? Okay, bang. I thought Oh, wait, it's almost 250. So just subscribe so you can see my face. I don't wanna show my face yet, but in 500 subs you can show my face. You know what? Let's get more into it. Let's do 60. We will end this video on 60. Okay, then other side. No, okay, other side again. No, okay. Other side. Oh, bro! Oh, I suck. Maybe I should then do 60. You know what? I'm still a pro. 60 is for pros. 6-7. Just kidding. It's me, said. Lol. Okay, just subscribe so you can see my face. Man, I suck at one. Okay, 54. We're gonna hit 5-5. Wait, what? No. No, I need to make Samuel Life happy. No! Frick you. Okay, I'm gonna lock them. Oh, yeah. Okay. No! I was almost there. Freaky Don. Yes! 5-5. You know what? This is end the video. Bye-bye, guys. If you are tuned in this video, bye.